There are very few air cannons in Pakistani repair shops because each of them is a treasure. The factory director was reluctant to spend 10,000 rupees to replace a new one, so he found a colleague to repair the square head of the output shaft. Because the diameter of the square head is relatively small, the direct welding method is not suitable, so the teacher cut a section of the scrapped shaft according to the required length. The purpose of such a long length is to change the splicing position of the air cannon output shaft. The splicing place is set on the shaft rod. This is better than direct welding. The strength is much higher. It takes a lot of time to cut a section of this scrapped shaft. After all, its shaft diameter is there. Therefore, in Pakistan, the parts that are generally declared scrapped will not be thrown away. It may be used for the next repair. Then fix the cut shaft rod on the lathe. In order to ensure the concentricity of the shaft, there is a connection reference point. The master will drill a hole in the center. The connection between the surface and the output shaft of the air cannon is also based on it for positioning. After drilling, the cross-section of the shaft rod is turned to eliminate the bevel. The purpose of doing this is to ensure that the welding can be done properly and to ensure the strength required for welding. Then the master measured the square head of the sleeve with a caliper. The hand feeling will be based on the data just cut. One surface is flattened, and the other 3 surfaces of the square head are processed in the same way. After the pin is completed, the size of the square head is confirmed with a caliper. In this way, a strong square head is processed. The square head of the original broken air cannon cannot be repaired. The torque of the cannon is so large that the rare square head cannot withstand it. Then fix the output striking shaft of the air cannon on the lathe. Because the output shaft is too long, the master will also use a bracket to fix the shaft head to ensure that the shaft head will not shake during the rotation. Before turning the pin, the master will use a Yang Yi ring to heat the shaft head red. The structural molecules of the output shaft change to eliminate the residual hardness, which can play the greatest role during processing. After the shaft head turns orange, it can be canceled. Because its temperature has reached a certain critical point, it is a good time to cancel it. The length of the newly built square head is reserved. The output shaft head of the air gun needs to be pinned off a little more. Only the front end is sawed off with a saw blade. This is also the concave and convex splicing method commonly used by the masters of the Pakistani iron. Then use the wrong knife to grind the surface of the convex point. After grinding, use the wolf head to smash the square head in. The effect is quite good. There is no need to worry about concentricity. Then use the welding rod to surfacing the gap. After the welding is completed, the welding slag on the surface of the welding bar is knocked off. Simply release the hard force. Then the master will turn the surface of the welding bar. The bumpy surface is restored to a smooth and flat surface. The master will then process the lock pin at the front of the square head. After the work is completed, the black layer will be completely removed to make the surface have the effect of increasing the brightness of the tile. After the work is completed, the sleeve is used for testing. The color just fits the seam. The director of the repair shop is also very satisfied. This broken. What do you think of this repair technique?